The TRACKPixx3 is a 2 kHz binocular high-performance eye tracker from VPixx Technologies, designed for precise and reliable eye tracking in a range of research applications. The TRACKPixx3 uses infrared light and high-speed image processing to non-invasively track the movement of the eyes. It can be used with both humans and non-human primates. It is suitable for a range of testing environments, from MRI and MEG to 3D display applications. The TRACKPixx3 uses a fiber optic connection and state-of-the-art image processing algorithms. It can track the eyes with an accuracy of less than 0.2 degrees of visual angle at data transmission latencies as low as 1.7 milliseconds from eye movement to data recording. During an experiment, the TRACKPixx3 camera and infrared illuminator are positioned below the display and pointed at the participant's face. The illuminator beams invisible infrared light into the participant's face, and our special camera records the illumination. Our image processing algorithm detects landmarks in the resulting image. The relationship between these landmarks changes systematically as the participant looks around the screen. We can build a model of this change for each participant and each eye as they look around, using a simple calibration routine at the beginning of an experiment. We then apply this model to subsequently recorded eye movements for a precise measure of real-time gaze behavior. We can also track and automatically flag specific kinds of eye movements, such as fixations, saccades, and blinks. The TRACKPixx3 is designed to be versatile. We offer multiple ways to interact with the device and collect data. For researchers who want a simple, accessible eye tracking experience with some customization, our Lab Maestro software suite provides drag-and-drop calibration and data collection routines, as well as some data visualization options. For researchers who want low-level control and direct integration with their existing experiments, we offer MATLAB and Python command libraries to calibrate, configure, and record gaze data. You can find a comprehensive set of walkthroughs and demos on our website that will help you get started. Researchers using neurophysiological recording equipment can also stream eye tracking data as an analog signal directly to the recording interface. We can provide multiple streaming options depending on what data is relevant to your research. The TRACKPixx3 is more than just an eye tracker. It is part of a comprehensive, high-speed experiment management system. This is thanks to the DataPixx3's synchronization and video I/O hub, which acts as a control unit for the eye tracker. The DataPixx3 can also interface with video, audio, digital and analog inputs and outputs, and serves as a synchronization system for all of your experiment peripherals. For example, with the DataPixx3, you can send video-based triggers to another system and save them automatically in your eye tracking data, view a copy of your experiment progress and live camera feed on an extra monitor with options for adding custom metadata overlays, record button box activity in your eye tracking data, send triggers, audio or analog signals based on your participants' gaze behavior in real time, and more. Our software tools provide a single, streamlined control system for all of your experiment needs. If you need any assistance with our products, you can contact our trained team of staff scientists for support. We provide free professional assistance for you and your team for the lifetime of your product. We are also happy to host remote training sessions and troubleshooting sessions with your lab to help you get started and optimize your eye tracking installation. Thanks for watching our product tour. If you want to learn more about the TRACKPixx3, visit our website at vpixx.com/products/TRACKPixx for detailed specifications, or contact our staff scientists for personalized assistance.